Make a great choice today with the 2019 Fiesta. Ford will be offering a wide range of options and accessories on the Fiesta in a play to make the Fiesta highly customizable to fit the preferences of its drivers and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, front disc rear drum brakes, tires, front all season, FWD. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.